In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate the SSL on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this website, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen here on this website. Of course, if you have an account, you'll have to click at this sign in option and then enter your username with password, then click at sign in if you want to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to click at sign up so you can actually create an account for yourself. There is no easy way or fast way to do that. Not like other websites that you can use like just your Google account or something like that. So just do one of those, and once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on a page like this. As we said, we would like to activate the SSL. So after we sign in into our account, you would like to go into your left panel here and make sure to click on this SSL certificates. Of course, here, if you have no SSLs found, you can just go and search or search someone from here or some SSL from here. And if you already have it, of course, for me I don't, but of course if you have it, you will have an active button. Just go and click on it, click as active button next to the certificate you want to use. Paste the CRR code they provide for you and the corresponding box, of course, and simply then you would like to select the domain control validation method among the CNAME, the file uploading, and the email based. And simply the last thing that you would like to do, of course, is just hit the submit button and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.